Hey, what up guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. My name is Kurt Buchanan and I'm really happy and excited you decided to check out my video. But since you're here, I'm just gonna ask you to do one favor, and that is to subscribe to my channel because it definitely motivates me to continue doing this awesome content for you guys. Alright, so in this video, I'm actually going to be sharing with you, showing you guys how you can promote any affiliate product on Facebook without a website. Alright, so you can promote your Clickbank products, your JVZoo products, your Amazon products, wherever you get your affiliate products from, you can promote them without a website, and I'll be doing this on Facebook using Facebook Messenger. Alright, so if you guys haven't heard, Facebook Messenger marketing is going to be the big thing for 2018. So you do want to get on board right now and start using it before it becomes saturated as with every other marketing activity campaigns. Alright, so in order for you to do this, you actually need to have a Facebook fan page, not a Facebook profile, but a Facebook fan page or a business page, whatever you want to call it. You want to have your affiliate account set up. If you're using Clickbank, you want to have your Clickbank account set up. You need to have a ManyChat account. You need to have some advertising budget just so you can push your Facebook campaign. And you do need to have a lead magnet. It's very, very important for this to work. Alright, so if you're new, a lead magnet is basically something that you give away to get information from someone. So basically, we will be giving away a lead magnet just so we can get persons to subscribe to our messenger list so we can promote our affiliate products to them. Alright, so it sounds pretty simple, and it is. If you're familiar with ManyChat, then it's basically a no-brainer for you. But I'm going to walk you through and show you exactly how it's done. Alright, so first thing, you need to sign up for ManyChat if you don't have a ManyChat account. And ManyChat is basically a platform, a software online that you can use to set up Facebook Messenger bots. And bots are basically communicate as your Facebook page, even if you're not around a computer. So it's like setting up an automated customer service rep for your Facebook account. Alright, so that's the best way I can put it in layman's terms, and I really hope it made sense for you guys. Alright, so once you have your ManyChat account, and to do this, you want to go to manychat.com and you want to sign up with your Facebook account. It's pretty easy. Just connect to your Facebook account and you will have your ManyChat account set up. Alright, so once that is done, you can add as many Facebook pages as you want. As you can see here, I have 2 Facebook pages. But just select the Facebook page that you want to use for your campaign. Once that is done, you want to go over to your Facebook page and you want to make a post on your Facebook page giving away your lead magnet, promoting your lead magnet. So as you can see here on my Facebook page, I'm saying, hey guys, I'm giving away this affiliate marketing ebook for free. If you want a copy, just leave a comment below and I'll send it to you via Facebook Messenger. And basically, guys, that is all the user will need to do, to leave a comment below this post, and they will get a copy of this sent to them via Messenger based on what we set up in our ManyChat account. So I'm going to show you how to do that now. Alright, so in your ManyChat account, you want to go where it says growth tools, because we will be using a growth tool, the comment function of a growth tool, to get persons to download and to subscribe to our ManyChat account that we can target and remarket to them. And I must point out that everything I'm doing now is basically on the free ManyChat account. There is a pro version that starts at about $10 per month. But if you're just getting started and your list is small, you really don't need to upgrade as yet. Alright, so once you're in growth tools, you want to look for where it says Facebook comments. If you're not seeing Facebook comments here, it means it's probably buried on the new growth tools. On the free account, you're only allowed to have 4 growth tools. So if you're not seeing Facebook comments, you can delete one of the other growth tools and just add the Facebook growth comments growth tool. Once that is done, you want to click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to ask you to select a post from your Facebook page. Alright, so I've already gone ahead and selected a post, so I'm not seeing that option here. But for you, if you're just setting this up, it will ask you to select a post from your Facebook page. So any of the posts on your Facebook page, you will be able to select it here. So I selected this one that has a lead magnet, and you want to do the same. Once that is done, you want to ensure that you have track first level comments turned on, because what this means is that only persons that comment the first comments will actually qualify to get this lead magnet. You don't want persons who reply to comments to qualify for that. I have where it says I confirm the selected post explicit that this page is going to contact users who comment via messenger. So you want to ensure that you have that box ticked. I am going to send my lead magnet to persons who comment on the Facebook post immediately, but you can change this to seconds or minutes to have it delayed. So I'm sending out mine immediately. Where it says keywords, you can add keywords. So if you want persons to comment a specific keyword in order to qualify, you can set that as well. But I just want any comment at all to trigger this messenger to be sent out. So once that is done, what will happen is that Facebook Messenger will send that person a message to ask them if they really want to subscribe. You have the option to edit this message. So my initial message to commenters is going to say, hey, full name, just to confirm, if you want a copy of the free ebook, simply reply with the word free. So I'm asking them to send me back a keyword just to say, yes, they actually want this book. This is done just so ManyChat can protect themselves, and Facebook can continue to allow persons to use chatbots on their platforms, uh, just so persons don't abuse the system basically. So once you have that ready, then you can set up your opt-in message, right? So once that person's reply free, then the opt-in message can be, hey, thank you, here's the book I promised, the next post is coming soon, stay tuned. Now you can edit this and tailor it however you want. As you can see here where it says opt-in message, I could click on that and edit the message as I want. So this is where you basically attach the file to give away the free product that you're actually giving away. It could be a free book, it could be coupon codes, it could be whatever that is uploadable. As you can see here, it can be text, image, card, gallery, list, audio, video, file. User input is a pro version functionality as well. But you can give away whatever it is that you actually want to give away in the opt-in message. All right, so let me just jump back over to that section. Opt-in message, once you have the opt-in message, that will be sent out immediately so persons can download the ebook. Once that is done, you can immediately also subscribe persons to a sequence, right? So this is where it gets interesting, because in the sequence is where you will promote your affiliate product. In order to set up a sequence, in this section you will only be selecting the sequence, but in order to set up the sequence, you actually need to go to where it says automation. So once you have the opt-in message selected, you want to save that and then go to automation to set up your sequence. In automation, you want to go to sequences, and then in sequences, you want to click on that. Yours will have a different name. You are able to change the name, so that's why mine is saying affiliate marketing ebook. By default, you'll get these sample messages that says introduction content, educational message, educational plus soft sell, educational message. So this is best practice as it relates to email marketing, communicating with persons, subscribers on your list. So you want to follow this um, template that is given to you. All right, so basically you can come in and edit the messages. So as you can see, I have my messages edited just to welcome them to my page and tell them what to expect going forward, and to remind them that they can actually unsubscribe from my list by just typing stop. Educational message, you just give them educational message as it relates to the product, your lead magnet that you gave away. So I gave away an affiliate marketing ebook, so I can give them advice as to where they can learn more about affiliate marketing and how they can benefit from that. Give them more educational message, and then where it says educational plus soft sell, which comes in 1 day and 1 hour later, this is where I promote my affiliate products. As you can see, I have an affiliate link here that says, hey, have you ever heard about the commission machine? A lot of newbies just like you are making a lot of money using it. All right, so this is where I get the product from. You want to go to Clickbank or wherever you're getting your affiliate product from, grab your product affiliate link and paste that into your sequence as well. All right, so that is how you promote affiliate products on Facebook without a website using ManyChat. All right, so you have the option to add different messages, continuing that sequence, so as long as you actually want, but you don't want to bombard them with a lot of selling. So you want to give educational stuff a lot. You want to give a lot of information to that person before you actually jump into selling the products. As you can see, I've only done a soft sell up to the second day. I will be adding more messages. Giving more information and then promoting the products as the sequence go along. All right, so that is basically how it's done. Once you have this set up and you want to turn these on to be active, then you can basically go back to your growth tool and you want to turn on that growth tool as well, because by default it's on draft, so you want to put it on active, and once that's done, then your growth tool is basically ready. So with all that set up, once someone comes to your Facebook page and sees that your offer and leaves a comment, they will be automatically sent the messages that we just prepared. So what you want to do, and the reason why you actually need a budget is that I could actually boost this post to target persons interested in affiliate marketing or making money online, just so I could get a lot more leads for my business. Once you have your leads, you can send them broadcast messages just as you would with email marketing. But one of the benefits of using chatbots and ManyChat is that the open rate and conversion rates far exceeds what you get from email marketing, and that is one of the reasons why this is so awesome and so great. All right, so guys, I really hope that helped you out, and I really hope you take action and start using this before it actually becomes saturated. If you're not really sure as to how this works, and if this tutorial was not clear enough for you, I do encourage you to go ahead and just go through my funnel. You can unsubscribe whenever you are ready, but just go through the funnel just to see how it works. And that will give you a better idea as to what to do and what to expect when you're setting up your very own ManyChat chatbot to promote affiliate marketing products on Facebook without a website. So, all right, once again, I want to thank you so very much for watching my video. Please go ahead and like this video if you actually like the content, and subscribe to my channel just so you can be updated when I release similar videos to this one. All right, so thank you once again, and I'll see you soon.